In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Safari back to normal. First, let's start by opening the Settings app on your device. You can find the Settings icon on your home screen, usually represented by a gear symbol. Once you tap on it, you will see a list of options that control various aspects of your device. This step is important because the Settings app is where you'll find all the configurations for your apps, including Safari. With the settings open, you are ready to navigate to Safari's settings and make changes that will help restore its layout. Next, you will need to find Safari in the Settings menu. If you have a newer version of iOS, tap on Apps first and then select Safari. If you're using an older version, Safari will appear directly in the main list of apps. Once you tap on Safari, you will see a range of settings specifically for this browser. This step is crucial as it allows you to customize your browsing experience and revert to the classic appearance that many users prefer. Now, under the Tabs section, you will see options to choose your preferred layout for Safari. You can select either top or bottom for the address bar. If you choose top, the address bar will appear at the top of the screen, which is the traditional layout many users are familiar with. Alternatively, if you select bottom, the address bar will be at the bottom of the screen. This choice impacts how you interact with Safari and can enhance your browsing experience. Remember, choosing the layout that feels comfortable to you is key to enjoying your time online. Once you've made your selection, it is essential to know how to adjust the view while browsing. If you've enabled reader mode on any web page, you can easily switch back to the normal view. To do this, tap the Page Settings button, which looks like two A's in the Safari browser. From there, select Hide Reader. This action will return the web page to its standard format, allowing you to view it as intended. It's a small but significant step that can improve how you engage with content online. If Safari is still not behaving as you expect, consider clearing your browsing history and website data. This can often restore default behaviors that may have changed during updates or layout alterations. You can find this option within Safari's settings under Privacy. By doing this, you help ensure that your browser runs smoothly and efficiently, which is a great way to enhance performance. Additionally, another useful tip is to disable any unwanted extensions that may be interfering with Safari's functionality. Extensions can sometimes cause unexpected behavior, so it's wise to review what you have installed. This can be done in the same section of the Safari settings. By managing your extensions, you allow Safari to operate more like it did originally, which can be quite beneficial for your browsing experience. In summary, changing Safari back to its normal layout involves a few straightforward steps. You begin by accessing the Settings app, then navigate to Safari to choose your tab layout. Next, you can adjust the view by hiding reader mode if necessary. Finally, clearing your browsing history and managing extensions can further enhance your experience. By following these steps, you will have Safari looking and functioning in a way that feels familiar and comfortable to you. With that, you're all set to enjoy a classic Safari experience once more.